How to turn off other notifications settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find other notifications settings on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines in the top corner and go down, click settings and privacy, and now click notifications and go down. Here you will find this one, other notifications, and now just turn everything off. And now all you need to do is just go back and it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.